Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy new coins in Trust Wallet. First, make sure your Trust Wallet app is ready to go. You'll need to fund it with a base cryptocurrency, like BNB Smart Chain, which is essential for covering transaction fees and making swaps. You can easily purchase crypto directly within the app using a debit card or other payment options, or simply transfer funds from another exchange. Having sufficient funds is the crucial first step. Next, you'll connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange. Open the D-App browser, which you'll find at the bottom of your Trust Wallet. Then, search for or select a popular decentralized exchange such as PancakeSwap. Once on the exchange's website, tap the Connect Wallet button and choose Trust Wallet. You'll receive a prompt in your wallet. Simply approve the connection to link your wallet securely. Now it's time to swap for your new coin. In the decentralized exchange's swap interface, select your base currency, for example, BNB Smart Chain in the From section. For the To section, search for your desired new coin. If it's a very new token, you might need to paste its contract address. Enter the amount you wish to swap. Remember to adjust the slippage tolerance, sometimes to 5% or even 12%, to ensure your transaction goes through. Finally, if your newly acquired coin doesn't automatically show up in your wallet, you'll need to add it as a custom token. Go back to your Trust Wallet's main screen, tap the plus icon, and select the appropriate blockchain network. Paste the coin's contract address, and its details like name and symbol should appear. It's absolutely critical to double-check that you have the correct contract address from the official project website to protect your funds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.